This is the designated survivor, Glaze Chase, our ultimate Glaze Chase. Which means that Miss Subway 2017 to be crowned and sashed here at City Reliquary in Williamsburg, New York, will go to Lisa Levy. How you feeling right now, Lisa?
I feel like this is so fucking great. You know what? This is actually the most positive Subway-related experience I have ever. My life has come full circle. And one of the happiest moments of my life, and the Subway came together.
Well, you've earned it. Congratulations. Greet your public. Take the walk.
This is the biggest honor I have ever achieved. And I'm 61. I'm 61. My entire life right here, folks.
Stuck it up. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for attending 2017 Miss Subway pageant. Thanks to our contestants. Thank you to our judges.